Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing around with some brand new makeup, and the brand that I'm going to be using today is called Sam Marcel. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I have never tried this brand before, but I've seen them all over Instagram and YouTube, and I've seen a lot of positive reviews on them, so I was really curious to try them out. So when they reached out to me, I was really interested and I was like, yes, please. The one thing that I've seen that's been going around Instagram the most is their highlighting palette. So I have it on right now. As you can see, it's pretty bright. I mixed this color right here with this color right here, and I really love it. I do love the quality of the product, and the powders are very velvety. So we're gonna be playing around with the highlighting palette, and we have the eyeshadow palette here as well, and they are very pigmented. As I said, I did do some swatches throughout the video, but I do want to show you guys a couple right now as well. So as you can see, I hope the camera is picking it up. The lights might be too bright, but they are very pigmented, and like I said, they're very velvety and buttery. We're also going to be playing around with their liquid lipstick here. They sent me a lot. I did a few swatches. The one I have on right now is called Claudine, and I really love the formula. It feels very lightweight, and the color range is very beautiful as well. If you guys are wondering where my sweater is from, it is actually from Shop a Secret Boutique. I will leave the link right here as well as down in the description box. So if you're interested, we are having a 20% off sale right now going on up until Easter. So be sure to take advantage of that. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look right here, then definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, so I quickly want to let you guys know about my discount code with Sam Marcel. So you can get 25% off, and you can just use the code Amanda, all in caps. And yeah, so I want to make sure that I let you guys know about that before we move forward with the tutorial. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I already have my base on to save some time. So my brows and my foundation and primer are already on. So let's move on to the eyes. First, we are gonna go ahead and prime. And I like to just use some concealer. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape today. Of course, you wanna blend it out. I like to use my LA Girl sponge. I'm not sure if I've already mentioned it in my intro, but I'm just gonna say it again if I did. Today we're gonna be playing around with Sam Marcel products. I've never tried anything from their brand before, but I've seen them all over Instagram and stuff like that, and I've seen really good reviews, so I'm curious to try. And you know what I really love the most about them is that their packaging really stands out to me, because I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but it is like a velvety like material, and everything is like black and gold, which is definitely my favorite. And in the back it also mentions that they are cruelty free and vegan. The packaging is really luxurious, and it looks super expensive. I've never seen any packaging that looks like this, especially just the outside box. So this is the actual eye palette. This is called the Luxurious Eyeshadow Palette. I'm not sure if they have more than one palette. Beautiful, neutral, everyday colors that you can wear anytime and all the time. So the first color we're going into is just this matte vanilla color, which is called Creme de la Creme. I'm just gonna set my concealer. The next color I'm going into is this matte medium brown. I'm not sure what kind of eye look I'm going for yet, but we're just gonna go with the flow. So with the fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take that onto the crease. I lost my favorite blending brush, which is a bummer, and I'm trying to use this one, which I don't really like because it makes the shadow look a little patchy. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna dip into this Risque color right here. It's like a nice brown with gold specks. Just gonna go ahead and take that all over the lid. I'm taking that Risque color on this blending brush just so I can blend the two together. There's no harsh lines. Alright, so I'm gonna take this NYX glitter right here, which is called Bronze. So I'm gonna take my Too Faced glitter glue. Just gonna pop that all over the lid. Oh, that's a lot. I'm just gonna blend this area right here. And with my J-Cat eyeliner. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going to be using this volumizing mascara. I'm going to put on some lashes and, oops, I'm going to be using my Karma lashes from my lash box. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape first. And I'm also going to be taking my Maybelline Master Conceal in light medium. It looks like it's super light on camera, but it's really not that light. With my Laura Mercier powder, I'm just gonna set everything. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal True Match powder in Cocoa. And this thing is super pigmented, so just be really careful. So now that the bronzer is on, we are going to go ahead and move on to the fun part, which is highlighting. Who doesn't love highlighting their face? I mean, come on. So this is their luxurious highlight palette, and of course the packaging is so bomb. Looks so luxurious, like it says. And it comes with a bunch of different tones, like you have your goldish, and so you have your gold, your champagnes, you have your pinkish, and your bronze. So this palette is definitely very versatile, so anyone with any skin tone can definitely use this. I'm going to mix the color Creme right here. I hope the camera is picking up the color well. And also Dior. So I'm just gonna take Creme and I'm gonna swatch. Wow, woo, that's a beautiful color. And then Dior right next to it right here. So this is Dior and this is Creme, and they're both really beautiful. I'm also gonna swatch Très Chic. You guys, I'm not good with French. I think these are some French words and I'm not really that great. So that's that. Let's do one more swatch. Soleil right here, which is the super like yellow gold almost. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty too. And let's see how these perform. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, and it doesn't look powdery, which I love. Very pigmented, yet it's not powdery. And it feels really velvety as well on the skin, as well as when you touch it with your finger. Super velvety. Of course, the nose. I don't know about you guys, but I love the nose highlight. That's like my fave. So I'm gonna take that same Risque color that we put all over the lid, and I'm just gonna take that underneath here. And I'm gonna take this color right here to highlight the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips really quickly. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using their liquid lipsticks today. And the color that stood out to me the most, of course it's a nude, is the Claudine color here. This is their luxurious liquid lipstick. I mean, come on, look at the packaging, you guys. So beautiful. I'm going to give you guys a little swatch. This one is like a nice like pinky nude. That's how Claudine looks like. Let's try it on the lips. Ooh. It feels really lightweight. So I want to swatch a few different colors for you guys. So this color is a Celine. It's like a baby pink. And next we have Bijou. And then we also have Chloe, which is a nice like purpley color. I'm not swatching all of them just because there is a lot. But as you guys can see, these colors are super pigmented. Like I said, they're very lightweight on the lips. And then we also have Rogue right here, a nice classic red with blue undertone. And then lastly is Colette, which is like a nice deep brown. Right there. Sorry for the poor swatches, but I hope you guys can get the idea. So this is basically the finished look, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my hair just so that way I look more presentable. So I will be right back. All right guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Let me know down below what you would want to see next. And all right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.